Alright, we're working on a Honda Odyssey today with a slipping transmission, and it was setting code P0741 for torque converter clutch hydraulic circuit stuck off. But what we found on this one is the transmission cooler lines were actually leaking. So if you got a Honda Odyssey that's slipping and or any kind of transmission issues whatsoever, check engine lights on, or you got a flashing drive light, first thing you want to do is just check, make sure the fluid's full. These ones, the dipstick is transmission dipstick's right in the front of the engine here, as you can see, and the fill plug is a little tricky to get to. You can see I actually have a funnel stuck in it right now. Get it out of the way. See that in there. Right. As you can see, that's a actually fill hole, and it's a 17mm plug that you're gonna have to take out in order to fill it. So we're just gonna get this transmission filled up. So as you're filling it, you're gonna do it with the running, then you're just gonna check on the stick. You always want to make sure you're using the right fluid too. In this case, we're using the ATF DW1. Alright, thanks for watching. Quick little video on what you should do if your transmission is slipping on a Honda. Thanks. Bye, Ray Mechanic.